we need a law na magtutuldok at tatanggal sa anumang bakas ng pogo sa ating lipunan.
Okay.
Bawal talaga siya at naging batas na siya. Tuldok na talaga ito at yun yung talagang main goal natin, no? Hindi lang short-term goal kundi long-term, na even the next administration will no longer entertain the idea of inviting pogo back in our country.
Sir, isa na lang. Yung 12 to 20 years, tsaka 100 million po na, na parang babayaran, that is for those who will create pogo inside the country.
Sila po yung mapaparusahan na mahuhuli, yung pong mga operators ng pogo na ito. And again, I made mention kung bakit tila baga parang extreme. Pero kung titignan nyo po, compared doon sa mga nakita na ho natin, trafficking, torture, kidnapping, habang buhay pa nga po yun eh.
And will you push for this to be
A priority. I would love to, and if I'd be given a chance to talk to the President, I would appeal na maging priority ito, because I'm sure the President was so happy about the reaction of the people. I remember shaking hands with him pagkatapos nung SONA, and yun yung unang nabanggit ko sa kanya, at naramdaman ko na he's very happy na na-deliver niya yung tamang mensahe na hindi lang inaasahan ng ating mga kababayan, kundi kailangan ng ating mga kababayan.
Sa Senate leadership, sir, iyan niyo rin, pupush na
Sure.
gawing priority?
Yes. I have yet talked to our Senate President, but probably today I'll talk to him about it. If we can fast track this important measure.
And before the year ends, on next,
I hope so.
para
Lahat naman
kasabay dun
laging
sa order.
mas
ng
maganda
Presidente.
po kasi kung alam niyo ho, kahit na totally mawala na kunyari sa matapos ang taon na wala pa po itong batas, hindi pa rin napapasa, I will still continue to push for this law. And as I earlier mentioned, it's because of the fact that we don't want the next administration or the future administration to invite this pogo back. Mai-implement na po itong panukalang batas na ito, magiging ganap na batas na. Meron po tayong 30 days. 30 days po yung ating ibinigay na transition para po may klarong punto ng transition, at ang mga hindi po makakasunod dito ay mapaparusahan.
So may retroactive effect po yan? Makasasaklaw ba yan sina Mayor Alice Go na lumilitaw na involved dito ho sa illegal pogo operation?
Una, gusto kong sabihin, even without this law, they're already liable, no, to so many laws that they violated. But this one would definitely put a period, pagtanggal ng anumang bakas ng pogo na maaari ho kasing buhayin ng susunod na administrasyon yan. Imagine kung yung mga local government units, yung narinig natin sa national level, nakasangkot dito, baka sa susunod na eleksyon, majority na ng member ng Senado, ano na po ng pogo, no? Backed up by pogo. So, yan po, nakita nyo naman kung gaano katagal makakuha ng signature nun, di ba?
So sir, before Mayan, so maganda ba yung timing na naging utos ni Presidente na by the end of the year, wala na yung pogo dahil may iwasan na magamit yung pogo money sa election?
Definitely po. At yan yung ating, kasi magaling ho silang magtago. Can you imagine, nakapag-produce sila ng isang local chief executive. Hindi nga po natin alam kung ilan, dahil ako, hindi ako masusurprise kung meron na rin po, o baka madami-dami na rin ang nasa posisyon ngayon, o nasa executive man, o nasa legislative, or will not even be surprised, pati sa judiciary, no? Kaya ito yung dahilan kung bakit we are very passionate about this, that